You playing with your Play-Doh? Yeah.
I gotta put more.
Yeah, we're making our cake station. We've made 2 pretty cakes and a cupcake. And what you making over there?
This trying to make the cake be real. It is.
You like playing with Play-Doh in your pajamas? It's a fun thing to do in the morning.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because I like doing it with my pajamas on.
I love you.
Love you too, Mom.
You having fun? Aww.
It's scary if I did that.
Can you show Mommy how to use the cake machine?
Yeah.
Show Mommy how to use the cake machine.
Oh, you mean this thing?
Yeah. Here's another mold.
Where's this thing?
The Play-Doh?
Yeah.
It's right in front of you.
This thing?
No, you put the Play-Doh in there.
Yeah. Look what I just did!